In this Inkscape tutorial, this will correspond to Illustrator 2. So we're going to be tracing an object. And so let's open up Inkscape. And it's fairly easy to do this. Well, I've already found an object I wanted to trace, a lion, and so I downloaded that to my desktop, and I'll just stick the lion in here. You can link or embed. If you link, that will if you get rid of your object you're tracing, you'll have to start over. So we'll just put embed on that. And you'll notice it's really small. So what we can do is make it bigger. I could drag it, but then it would be like this weird size. Okay. So if I click here, I lock the dimensions and I can drag it and it'll stay that same size. I want it to be fairly big because I'm just going to be tracing part of it. I don't want to spend all day on this. So there's my image. Now I think it would be a good idea to do another layer. So I'll make sure I have the layer palette selected here and plus. And it's really easy to make this bigger. I can just hit the plus. And I probably want it big enough to be able to do details. And I can navigate around there. So in this one, I'm just going to be using my pencil tool. And remember, we want to deal with the stroke and fill here. So our fill, we have to unlock. Okay. I'm going to draw this. After you get your layers done, all of your layers, then it's simple enough to go in there, and then you start small. And you select the smaller layers, and then you select the color for that layer, for each of your layers. So start smaller, and then work larger. And then when you get done, your project will look something like this. Remember to save that as a GIF and put it as ILL2.gif and ILL2_thumb.gif and save that in GIMP.